Common fitness myths debunked. Alright, in this video, I want to talk about a number of myths about building muscle and losing fat. Chances are you have probably come across one of these myths, if not all of them. The problem is that with all the information out there on the internet and all the advices you get from your friends and even from gym trainers, you don't know what to believe. This is why educating yourself with science-based knowledge is very important. You really need to know what you're doing in order to build a great physique and reach your fitness goals. Alright, let's start with the first myth. It is really common among beginners to think that in order to build muscle and lose fat, you need to go to the gym every day and that it cannot be done at home. Their logic goes as follows. The more you lift weights and the more you use machines at the gym, the more muscles you build. Now this is only partially true. The problem with this approach comes pretty obvious. Your body builds muscles when there is resistance. This resistance is created due to pushing, pulling and lifting motion of weights. So the same resistance can be developed using your own body weight and gravity. Like I always say, the best things in life are free, like water, air, life, gravity and common sense. Don't let expensive gym membership fees stop you from achieving your dream fitness. In this program, all the workouts that I have given are bodyweight exercise only. Now, coming to the second myth, which is that your workouts need to be really long, sometimes 2 to even 3 hours. That's not true at all. I would recommend you to train only 21 minutes a day. Now, what happens if you train longer than that? The problem with these long exercise hours, let's say 2 to even 3 hours, is that you see rapidly diminishing returns for every minute you put into it. Not only will your blood sugar level start getting very low, which means that your body does not have enough fuel to continue the training, but also you will see a major increase in your cortisol levels, which is your stress hormone. Okay, on to the third myth. Many people actually believe that you need to take an excessive amount of protein as protein powder supplements every day to build muscle. In most cases, they read somewhere in a social media post or a magazine or a blog maybe, that in order to make sure that they have enough protein in their system, they should drink 2 or 3 or even 4 protein shakes a day. That's pretty much nonsense. Supplements are meant to enhance an already healthy diet. They are not supposed to substitute it. So if you are eating healthy and protein-rich meals such as chicken, fish, beans, paneer or tofu, then there is really no need for a lot of extra protein through supplements. If not, you will be taking in more protein than your body actually uses. So what happens is your body will convert the excess protein and store it as extra body fat as usual, which is exactly what you do not want and what you're working hard to shed. A good rule of thumb is to consume 1 to 1.5 gram of protein per kg of your body weight every day. Maximum 2 gram of protein per kg of your body weight for someone who is very physically active and also trains with higher resistance. Now coming to the fourth myth, which is you have to eat frequent meals during the day. That is, to eat a meal every 3 hours once. People who propagate this myth argue that instead of eating a few big meals, you should eat smaller meals no more than 3 hours apart to keep your metabolism going and thus burn more calories at the end of the day. The problem with this argument is that research has shown over and over again that changes in body weight are not determined by how often you eat, but how many calories you have consumed at the end of the day. The research also found that small meals get broken down and processed a lot quicker than bigger meals. So your metabolism pretty much works the same amount of hours even if you eat smaller meals often. To wrap this up, I hope I was able to show you that getting in shape and building lean muscle is not difficult as many people make it out to be. With proper balanced nutrition and with a little bit of everyday workouts like what I've given to you in this program, I assure you that you will lose fat, build lean muscle and become more fit in the shortest time possible.